morning. Another day, another dollar. Alright, let's see if I can fix this ceiling fan light. Shouldn't take long. And then there's plenty more to do. We're waiting for the bathroom shower water heater. There's plenty more to do. We need to embellish the veranda. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna have a go at fixing the light. I've seen so many YouTube channels that remove the wattage limiter. So as long as I can identify it, I'm gonna have a go. Just a few screws all around, drop it, and just get those cable connected together after getting rid of the limiter. I'm gonna have a go. Okay, I'm gonna have a go at power is off, and I just take this off. So let's see. Okay, which one is the power limiter? Okay, by deduction, and what I can see on the net, this is for the fan speed here. This is for the fan speed, and it's connected right here. So this should be the what we call a capacitor or whatever for the fan speed, or for the fan in general, for the fan motor. So by deduction, I would say that this is the wattage limiter. Only two cable, which is quite understanding. So I just cut this and put them together, and that should fix it. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Okay, let's put it back. It's not working. I don't know. Maybe get new bulbs, maybe. We'll try that. We'll go to the city this weekend, we buy some new one. I put another bulb, but it's not working. So something wrong with the power going to the light. I don't know where it is. I need an electrician to test with his little magic instrument. So I gotta leave it for now and go to the next job. Okay, I got some problem with the car shifting gears. So I'm looking at it. I look at the pedal. I remove that. Sometimes the mat could be on the way. I put a little bit of a WD-40 up there. You can see that's where the thing is actuated with a cable. So I gotta try again. Okay, the rear gear is the worst one. Let's see. Oh, this is smooth. This is beautiful. It's fixed. I'm happy. I think what a first gear with the engine on. Yeah, beautiful now. So I don't know if it's the addition of WD-40 or the removal of the mat, but it's fixed. It's getting very windy. Some drizzle. Okay, I just got 2 delivery today. That's the shower water heater and 2 shelves for the bathroom. So anyway, a lot of work for tomorrow. Today's a bit late now, it's already 5 p.m. I'll see how I'm going to connect this because I got no hole in the walls to put a plug or something, but I'll find a way. So wish me good luck. Plenty of work tomorrow. Okay, good morning. Beautiful morning. It's been rainy last night. Anyway, let's get back to work. Okay, I received this water heater for the shower. Let's have a look what's inside. 1,740 pesos. Oh, nicely protected. That's the least it could do. It's good. Haha. And we got no earth, which I'm sure is this one. That's like in Australia. Bicolor. Interesting. I got one already. And this look very chippy. So I'll put this aside. I don't think I'm gonna need it, but what I'm going to need for sure, those rubber, those seal, because my workers lost them. So I found something somewhere and no as good, I think. So I will put those one in. So here's the baby, it's digital. And very important, this, the circuit breaker. And some more replacement seal, very good. And dowels, excellent. Instructions. Okay, so the question is now where to put it. Bathroom's so busy now. Wow. This is very, oh no, this is very, my girl just came in. That's why I say, oh no. This is very short, too short. I'm gonna have to buy another one. Okay, after consulting with JM, we both agree this box gonna go there, here. That can move somewhere else, that's okay. I can plug the hole somehow or put something there. And this can go here maybe, if it's on the way. If not, we'll leave it where it is. And the good thing if I put it here is that I see if I can drill a hole through the ceiling to get my circuit breaker there at the top. So it's good. I could put all the cable from the spare room, the baby's room. That's excellent. I don't have to do anything drastic. It's brand out, so no fan. I took my shirt off. It's getting hot. It's only 9 a.m., but it's getting hot. Before I start, I'm going to read this. and check a few videos just to make sure. And sometime I'm gonna have a look and see how I can make a ground connection, earth, whatever you call it in your country. So let's have a look over that before we start. My power station is down, so the burner must have been somewhere early in the morning, in the middle of the night, because it's no power, nothing, no internet. So I need to start the power generator. I mean, over a week I had to start the power generator. Okay, everything off, everything off. Let's go and start that thing. This is on. That's for the power generator now. Have this one. Okay, this is gonna be charging, but it's already 100%. I don't understand why it was off before. So we can get internet back. I need it. Alright, now let's go onto the net to do a bit of a search on this water heater first before anything else. Maybe I'm gonna drill a hole just the size of that and plug this with epoxy and something. Yeah. Here Sam, I'll see what cab I'm gonna use, and I will drill some hole just sufficient to get those wire in. I'm going to the shed now and see what kind of cable we have. Yeah, that's all the cable I have. Stranded, I think it's number 8. So that should do the job. This one here, but I don't have any more left. I thought I had some as well. Maybe I'll wait tomorrow, go to City Hardware and buy a few meter of this one.
Hi guys, today is another day. Time flies really fast. Sorry, Daddy, I'm interrupted again.
Okay.
What's
So
in there?
that should be okay.
What's in there?
If I get rot at the end.
There's rat shit there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Okay, I can smell lunch, so I stopped working on the bathroom. Oh, mashed potato, yummy. Oh yeah.
When you gonna cook for me?
Looks like a really gorgeous mashed potato. And like a vegetable soup. Yum, 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 yum. Baby, you like it? Yeah, she likes.
Yeah.
That's it. The artist's working hard here. Maribel.
How's the baby?
That's for tomorrow? Okay. Yeah, I got a lot of drilling to do, but I'm gonna leave it for another day because Bella is sleeping. I don't want to wake her up because James upstairs doing some work for customer. So that's the end for me. I just have to clean up here around and use the bathroom tonight. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.